Is your golf cart the ultimate ride for zipping around town, heading to the neighborhood gatherings, or heading to the pool? Well, our interior and exterior protective coatings will be the perfect option for you to keep it safe and keep it easy to maintain. My name's Brian. I'm one of the owners from Detail 360, and today we're here to talk to you about ceramic coating for your exterior and protective interior coatings for the interior of your golf cart. Sunscreen, pool water, sticky fingers, dirty hands, that's all going to be a natural part of the golf cart's life cycle. These vehicles are meant for fun, which also means that they're going to get a little messy. The great opportunity with our protective coatings is it's not only going to simplify maintenance, but it's also going to protect from those little spills and those tough moments whenever you have something acidic or something that could potentially damage the cart. It's going to buy you a little bit of time and give you a nice protective layer. They're the best products available for protecting the finish from damage, from chemical etching and UV fading. They'll protect from things like sunscreen, from chlorinated water, or they will protect from damage that can be caused by elements from the outdoors, things like hard water, as well as bird droppings and other types of chemical etching. Along with all of the protective properties, they also make the vehicle significantly easier to clean, and they'll give you a deep glossy look that lasts. You will notice whenever you go to wash the cart that all of the dirt and liquids will naturally repel, especially on the vertical surfaces. This is commonly referred to as the hydrophobic effect. It's basically like Rain-X on steroids for your paint, your trim, your wheels, and all of your glass. Please feel free to speak with any of the team members at Jack Carts. They'd be happy to arrange the service for you. Or if you do want to reach out to us directly, please make sure to mention that you came from Jack Carts so that we can get you a free service upgrade. We hope that the purchase of this cart brings you and your family a ton of joy, and we hope to be a part of that process and help simplify keeping it clean and safe for you. Thank you, and I hope everyone enjoyed the video.